Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So in previous video we have completed matching headings with some exercise and locating information also with exercise. Now here in this video we are going to do this matching sentence ending and matching features. Okay, what are these types of questions with exercise with some tips also? I will be explaining it to you. Let's start. And for Hindi explanation, of course, you can go to IELTS 9 Hindi. So I have explained it in detail in Hindi explanation. Okay, so here, so complete each sentence with the correct ending. Okay, complete each sentence means first type of question here is, see what we were looking, matching sentence ending. So we have to say match these sentences with correct endings. So endings they have given this. See this 5 endings they have given. Okay, and there are 4 questions they have given. See this, we have to complete this this sentence statement by selecting these endings. Okay, and in another type of question, that is matching features, see this, here they have given this type of statement here, and we have to select we have to select its ending with this. Match the correct statement with the letters. These are the letters, means these are the information we have to match with this sentence. So here, what is the skill, what is the skill you require it? Actually, you should understand the word, the main theme of the sentence. Okay, so what the main theme of the sentence is saying, it's like definition or definition kind of thing. Suppose this is the question statement they have given sentence, glucose or blood sugar. Maybe it may be definition, it may be some explanation about glucose or blood sugar, and here match each match the correct statement. Okay, so Jonas Gutenberg was the famous for these things. So we have to read the statement in the paragraph, and we have to find what for what purpose he was famous for, whether for oil based ink or information, metal alloy or printing or metric system. Now we have to find it. Now let's start first exercise, that is this complete each sentence with the correct ending. Here means how we will go to this, means how we will just do these questions. So what are the tips? Of course, first we will just underline the things. These are the words which we have to find in keywords in the passage. Wherever this word will be there in the passage, in the paragraph, so after that whatever is written in the sentence, then after reading it, now we have to match these things. After reading the full sentence from the information, then we will come back to these options and we will try to match whether it is this, whether it was this, whether it was this or this. So glucose or blood sugar, glucose is mainly stored complex carbohydrates and fiber clears. Now let's read these options also and some keywords also. Made of a lot of simple sugars through strongly break the scratches down into sugar and utilize it, sugar also into energy. The stomach and intestinal problems such as constipation, the liver and muscles, these are keyword. The main basis of the main basis of energy for your body cells, tissue and organs found in food, drinks and fats are fats, carbohydrates and proteins. See this, these are the words we have just underlined the keywords. Okay, now let's find this first keyword and side by side here you can see these two keywords. Glucose, here glucose or blood sugar, here glucose mainly stored in. Now let's look at find these words in paragraph. Now this is the reading name, carbohydrates, IELTS reading. So here we are looking for glucose, or see this same first word we have found. Carbohydrates is also there, but we are looking for glucose or blood sugar is the main basis of energy for our body cells, tissues and organs. And however, glucose, again glucose word is there, is stored in the liver and muscles. Yes, these words were in the see this liver and muscles is given. Glucose or blood, it was first question. And main source of body, see this fourth number is given, is the main basis of energy for your body cells, tissue and organs. Same thing is given. It means we have found two options. This, so we have found these two words, first two questions, glucose or blood sugar. Glucose is mainly stored in, so see this is mainly stored in C, it was C, and glucose or blood sugar is the main basis of energy for your body. So this we can select it with second number, and this is for first number. So here in front of this, in answer sheet, what you have to written, this is D number and this is a C number. In front of question number 1, you will be writing D number and here C number. Now we are looking for carbohydrates and fiber, clear. Okay, so carbohydrate is here. Okay, so but no, we were looking for a complex carbohydrate. So I can see this complex carbohydrates made of lots of simple sugars, strongly break the scratches down into sugar to use them as energy. Okay, they have given this, and fiber word is already here. See this, I have just circled it. It is a complex carbohydrates, and our body can't break down food with this and this. So you can read it, no? Fiber clears the stomach. So yes, we were looking for this, stomach and intestinal problems such as constipation. Same word, same line was there. It means it is with continuity of this word, fiber clears. So it means this will come with this. So fourth number will come, it is matching with, see this, it is matching with this B number. Same sentence we have read here, fiber clears the this, that's why this answer will come. So we can B number will come with this. And what about this calcium carbohydrates? So near calcium carbohydrates, sugar strongly break the scratches down sugar to, yes, same sentence was there in A paragraph, in A option. Same, scratches down the sugar into use them energy. It means it will come with A number. Means third number question is third number question is A. D, first number question will D, means in front of, we have come to know that we have complete each sentence with correct endings. These are the endings, these are the, so in answer sheet we will be writing only these alphabets. Okay, now next type of question. Now here match the correct statement with the letter, means here these are the facts actually. These are, and in previous also these were the same facts. Here they have given longer statement, and in previous question a small statement was there, means some small statement were there. Okay, here we have to match, we have to complete these statement with these endings. Okay, so now let's read it. Here also we have to read all the options with come out with the keywords. So this person name is there, and why he was famous for, what Gutenberg thought to have in invention. Okay, Gutenberg thought to have, so it means Gutenberg thought to have also invented the, what he have also invented. What revolution did the printing press create? What kind of revolution did printing press create? Okay, now we have to look for these words also, oil based, information revolution, inventing printing press, metal alloy and punch metric system. Now let's read the reading and then we will try to find the things over. Okay, so Johannes Gutenberg is in the first sentence. See this, Johannes was born in 14th century and died this and this. German craftsman indicated the method of movable printing press. Okay, German craftsman, so he was German craftsman printing types. Especially his filling had a metal alloy that could melt readily and cool quickly to form durable. His feeling is there, and he indicated the method of movable printing types. Okay, cool quickly durable, reusable type, and oil based ink that could be developed thick sufficient to stick to metal type. So metal they he has used it here. And disseminate well to vellum or paper and a novel press for providing firm even pressure to printing surface. Okay, now okay, now let's look at the options. Question statement. See this same word is there, and relating to, now in second sentence they are explaining this craftsman, German craftsman indicated the method of movable printing type. See this, he was famous for, let's find it from here. Oil based, no. Information revolution, no. Inventing printing press, so printing types they have given, so we can just select this also, and no other option is matching actually. So I will just select C initially for first question, means C will come. Okay, so next question they were showing in the same paragraph. What Gutenberg thought to have the invention. His thought is feeling that had a metal alloy that could melt readily and cool quickly to form. This we have already read. So here options, metal alloy is given, metal alloy, same word is given. See this. So we can select D for second number. Initially for D. Okay, next, Gutenberg thought to have also invented the, what he has also invented. Now let's find it. Here in this paragraph, everything we have read, nothing is the, Gutenberg's printing press was hailed as a watershed movement in history. Okay, now this is the actual location. This is the actual location for this. Was Gutenberg was famous for inventing printing press. Same word is there. Gutenberg's printing press was hailed as a watershed movement in history. A watershed movement in history means eye-washing movement in history, you can say. Means he was famous. Why? So printing press, now it means we have selected right option for this. Okay. Now next, in this same last line they have used it, information revolution. It made books widely available and ushered in information revolution. Okay, so information revolution, see this word is here. Okay, now he is asking in fourth question, what revolution did the printing press create? See this. Printing press was hailed as a watershed movement in history as it made books widely available and ushered in information revolution. So printing press, same word, what it created, so information revolution. So for this fourth number we can just mark here B, because in same sentence everything is there. See this also, and we have just read out the sentence and the meaning also. Now where it is this. Now next part of the paragraph is, Gutenberg was also associated with inventing the, yes, this word is also there. Also is also there. You can match this, how I am matching it, you can also match it. Also, Gutenberg thought to have also invented the. Gutenberg was also associated with inventing the punch matrix technology for casting metal type, which, okay, this is blank, brackets chiseled on one end of, so they have given some explanation about the thing. However, computer assisted analysis of printed work, no, this they have not asked about the 2000 revealed and all. We are looking, Gutenberg was also associated with inventing punch matrix technology. See this, punch matrix technology means system, they have used it, so we can just mark it E here. Okay, so how easily we have got, actually you should get the exact location also, and how I have also found it. First I have found this location in the first second sentence, now at the end, but when I was reading further I got this location here also, and I have tried to do paraphrasing thing also. That's why now we have just come to know that this was correct. Okay, how we have selected this, and in next reading, in next video we will be covering true false not given, and yes no not given.